Happy Friday, everyone. It's Miss Harmon here with the Feel Good Friday shout out, and I am here to shout out a group of instructors who have been working really hard to prepare to pass their general praxis exam. So, if you don't know, there are many instructors that leave industry to come change student lives. And even though they take a pay cut, even though they have years of experience, they still have to pass the general praxis writing and math exam as a part of their 2-year alternate route program. So our instructors have been attending tutoring sessions, they have been studying, and they are getting ready to pass that test next month. So that's the first group I'm shouting out. I'm also shouting out Mr. Brown, who is the guidance counselor over at Biotechnology High School. He has been advising a group of students who revitalized the student newspaper and has brought it back. So awesome job, Mr. Brown. Thank you for being there for our students and helping to oversee the new school newspaper. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care.